Okay, so recording has been started. So today we have doubt class for lesson number 37. So lesson number 37 we have few questions earlier regarding where clause implementation within GroupBy. So we will see how many questions were there. There were five questions, five tasks. So we have we have some questions regarding retail DB2. So the viewers who are watching this video, if they want to solve this problem, I will give the link of my GitHub account, my GitHub repository. They can download retail DB2 files from there. It will be in the form of zip files, so they can go here, and here it is, retail db2. You can just download here. You can go here and just click on the here download raw file, and you will be able to see the raw file in your download folder, and then you can extract the retail db2 files from there, and you can load them in your workbench. There you will get two files. Mainly what I will tell you, you will get two files here. First is create database at table scripts and insert table script. You don't have to do anything, any amendment or anything. Just do control a control c and just run it in your a new sql file, like this, sql editor, like this. Just press control a and run here, and you will be able to create all the tables. The second script is insert table script. Just do control a control c, and you will be able to and paste here, and you will be able to just uh, able to feed all the values in all the five tables. Mainly it contains five tables in retail db2. If you can see, there are five tables. We have categories table, we have customer table, we have departments, order items, orders, and products. So these five tables are there, and many records in each tables are present. So you can do like that. So back to our problem. What I want to show, I want to discuss in this class. Let's move to the first question, that how many orders were in the pending state, okay, in October 2013. It's a very simple question actually. In the previous class what I have explained, that it is not a type of group by, right? You can apply group by, but there is no need to apply group by here. Okay, so how we can proceed? How many orders were in the pending state? So as per the question suggest, you can just simply type. Let me copy paste the previous one here. Okay, just copy paste the previous one here. So in previous class I had already explained. uh, okay, so the first class, so the first answer is select year, order date as year, month, order date as month, and count order id as count. Obviously you need to count the order id. How many orders means you need to count the order id. Okay, okay. And order count, just be make it generic order count. Okay, order count from retail db2 dot orders where state equal to pending. Okay, where state equal to status equal to pending. So you will apply pending here. Okay, pending. Okay, and where, so the when time frame, which time frame? It's October 2013. October month is of which month? Is of 10th month. So where month of order date is 10. Okay, month folder will extract the exactly the month from the order date column. So it will extract like 10. Okay, and order date is to, and year is to 2013. Okay, so Year, if year is 2013, then you will extract year from the order date, and now you can run this and you will get the answer, desired output. So the first question, so yeah, hence you are answering, able to answer this first question, and just answer it. And you can see it's 565. The order count is 565. Okay, in the month of October. All right. So now, okay, so I think it is clear to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many orders were in pending state in October for all years? It's similar question. Similar question, but with group by, because for each year you have to correct. This is the query with the year clause. Okay. You just need to find for October month for all year, for each year. Means if you are counting for more than 1 year, or more than yeah, more than one attribute, means one more than 1 year, then you need to apply the group by. Okay, so just apply this query and remove this one, because you want to apply for both years, 2013 and 2014. So this filter doesn't, is not needed. Okay, so what will be the query? Select year, order date as year, month, order date as month, count, order ID as order count, from retail db2 dot orders, where month is 10 and order status pending. Okay, and now you apply the group by. Group by this one, year of order status, order date. Okay, you need to means you need to break it down into two parts. Just group by year. Okay, first you will count and then you will group by. Okay, so just run it and you will see the difference. You need to just rethink about this. If you're not getting this, just go and re, why it is not showing, why it is not showing group by year date, order by date. Why it is not showing 2014? Just wait a minute. It's because it should not be there. Let me check if it is there or not. I am getting here 2013, right? It should get 2014 as well, right? For October month, right? So I'm just checking what I'm checking. I'm just checking if my data exists for 2014 or not. That's what I'm checking. Okay, so what will I apply? Select distinct, year, order it as year, and month as month, from retail db2 dot orders. Okay, where year order date equal to year equal to 2014. So I need to see all the distinct month from 2014. You can ignore this as well, but let it be. So you can see clearly, see it's a July. The date, my data is till July. Okay, my data is from January till July. So obviously we don't have data for October. So this may be the case. See, Chadra, this may be the case. You can find in daily day-to-day basis in your project. Okay, the data is not there, right? What will you do? You need to inform the client that see, data is not there, and hence we are not getting the proper count. Okay, so here the data is not available for 2014 October. So we have only one data, right? We have only one data for 2013 October. So hence this query is correct. All right, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go back to question number 3. What is the question number 3? Count all orders status. It's so simple question. I don't know why you didn't get it. It's the most simple question I have given you in group by. Okay, you just need to count the orders. Okay, you just need to select the count, the order status and their count. Okay, don't know why you didn't get it. Order status, and count of order status, and count of order ID, or count star. You can do, you can simply do count star, you can simply do the row count. Okay, from retail db dot orders, and what you will group, here, can you
Order
tell me
status.
what you will group here? Can you tell me?
Count, sir.
No, no, no,
CNT.
no, count. How will you group the count? You will not group count. You are counting, what you are counting? You are counting all order
Order
status, right?
status.
All order status. So you will group order status, na? Just see, just group by order status, and that's it. It's so simple question. I don't know why you didn't get it. And see, you have closed order as 7556, cancel at 1428, on hold this one. Every order you have this, have the count. Okay, it's so simple. Let's move to fourth question. Count how many total orders were completed from July to November to November 2013. Okay, how many total orders were completed from? It's a simple question. It is not a question of group by actually. You can do it, but it is actually not a question of group by. You can do it by group by, but you need to just apply simple logic from July 2013 to November 2013. Just do it from July, where just do it. Order count, uh, you don't need to select anything as well. Just you asked about order status. Okay, order status completed. Okay, so you need to, what it is asking, it is asking count how many total orders were completed, right? So this is the filter. Okay, where order status is completed, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and when, from 2000, it's a simple where statement, right? It's simple where statement, don't go by group by here. And where month, between. Okay, between 10 and, sorry, July to November. Okay, 07 and 11. Okay, that's it, that's it, and that's it. Okay, don't need to do group by here. Why you will do group by? Just see, order count 0, order count 0, months between 07, 07 and 0. Why it is 0? Okay, year equal to 2013 and order status equal to completed, so greater equal to, Just let me do that. I'm not sure why between is not working here. Not sure why it is showing as 0. Okay, okay, month order date between what is the question? July 2013. Count how many total orders were completed from July 2013 to November 2013 to November. Okay, just give me a minute. Maybe this one, but this doesn't matter. Okay, it is still 11. Okay, so maybe some just count order status. Let me see, let me check if count star works or not. I'm not sure why it is not working. It should work. Why it is telling as 0? Anyway, let's I'm not sure why it is not working, but it should be like this only. Okay, because I have done year order date is 2013 and month order date between 07 and 11. Okay, so it's basically between July to November. Okay, and order status equal to completed. So I will give you this query, just run it on your system, and you will let me know that whether it is working or not in the next class, because the query is correct. I'm not sure why it is not working, but as far as I know, this query is correct. There is no uh, there's nothing wrong with this query. Okay, nothing wrong with this query. uh, if I say equal to 07, then see, it runs fine. Okay, why it is not running fine? Am I doing something wrong? Just what if I'm running this one, if I'm getting output, yes, I am getting output. uh, if I'm passing this as well, uh, should I get output? I'm not sure why I'm not getting output here. If I comment this, if I comment this, and then if I try to run. Order ID, and now I'm running. It's or still giving 0. I'm not sure why it is. If I'm doing it as pending, will it give me some result? And yes, it is giving result. Okay, I got the issue. What the issue is, let me tell you what the issue is. There is no completed orders. Okay, so let me do about pending situation. Okay, uh, that is why it is not coming. So let me correct the question here. Correct the question here, where pending. Okay, count how many total orders were pending, because I'm going to show you that there is pending order between July to 2013 to November 2013. There is no orders actually completed in between. Okay, there is no order something completed. Okay, there's nothing like completed between 2000 July month to November month, and that's why it was not showing. Now you, if you want to count it, you need to, you will get the output. Okay, so obviously the query is correct. There is nothing wrong with the query. The issue was that there was no completed orders between this time period. Okay, so let me now update the query. It's just give it pending. Okay, okay, and now it will work fine. Did you get this? Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the last one. After that we can close the class. Count all closed orders in first quarter of 2014. Means what is here? It is one question is hidden. First quarter of 2014. First quarter means January, February, March. Okay, this is the first four quarter. Second quarter is April, May, June. Quarter is of 3 months. Okay, so there are 4 quarters in 1 year. Okay, so first quarter is January, February, March. So you need to count all closed order in first quarter of 2014. So here date is mentioned, year is mentioned, so you don't need to apply the group by. Okay, my motive is to you to understand when to apply group by and when to not. Okay, this is my motive. So here you have already given 2014. Okay, so you don't need to apply. Here specific date range was given, so you don't need to apply. Here a specific date range was given, you don't need to apply. Here no specific date is given. Okay, for all years no specific date is given, so you need to apply group by. Okay, count all order status, everything, so you need to apply group by. This is the main catching point. Okay, by this you can catch the thing that in which query you need to apply the group by and when, where to not. Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So count all closed order in first quarter of 2014. So just apply the previous question. 2014 first quarter. So first quarter is January to March. Okay, so between first to between 1 and 03, and the status is closed. Okay, and year is 2014. Okay, and count all orders. Just apply this one and copy paste and just run it. You will see 1847 orders are there. Okay, so this is the case. What I was this tough? Was this tough?
Little bit, sir.
But see, that final takeaway in this class is when to apply group by and when to not. Okay, so the when a specific question is given, that for this thing you apply, you need to find, then you can ignore group by. Okay, okay, though in this as well group by can be applied. Okay, this will make no change. Like this this will make same output. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just show by this 565. And if I need to group, if I apply group by year order date. Okay, okay, then also it will make no effect. Okay, see, same output. But you don't need here group by. Okay, but you don't need here group by. Why will you waste compiler decision? Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so the final takeaway is you need to identify where to apply group by or where to not. When a specific date is given, a specific time period is given, you don't need to apply group by in that case. For the time period, for the specific time period. Okay, if time period is the main key. Okay, other, if you want need to count for all time periods, or all status you specifically in retail db2 schema, you here you need to apply the group by. But first you need to identify if you need to collect that columns or not. If you need to collect group that column or not, you need to figure it out. Okay, just think about this, just make a plan in your brain. Just think about, just try to visualize. Okay, so this was my final takeaway. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.